When she wanna fuck, I just tell her ring the bell. Hit her from the back, she can't do nothing but yell. And she smart as fuck, I got this bitch straight out of Yale. Yeah, 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 yeah. And you know I'm high as fuck, my eyes just red, but it was just pale. If it's up, then nigga it's stuck, don't come outside, not even for L. Got a Glocky on my hip and I blow this bitch just like a rev. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nigga thinking this shit sweet till one of they partner disappear. Give a fuck about your mama crying, give a fuck about that little bitch shedding tears. Gotta keep the fire by your side because the ops is always near. Yeah.
I beat it.
Mine was.
You beat it.
Oh.
I beat it.
GG.
No left cube.
Yay.